Hello, Bill McRae here again today. It's cold outside in South Texas. Not very often we have weather that's like 48 degrees. It was just 96 degrees 2 days ago. But anyway, I made a video, I don't know, a month or two ago where I said that the most important skill you need to have as a marketer online is the ability to drive traffic. And I still believe that to be true, but if you're not very good at copywriting, it doesn't really matter, is it? And that's why I want to talk to you about copywriting today. A friend of mine purchased a product, and she said, every time I read this guy's emails and his sales letters, I'm mesmerized. I cannot not buy it. Does that make sense? She buys everything this guy introduces. From all intents and purposes, it's good looking stuff. She has never made any money with it because she doesn't have the ability to follow up on it. So I'm going to help her learn how to follow up because I'm all about discipline and schedules and planning, and you guys have seen those videos. So I'm going to help her do that so she can make some money on this stuff. But I looked through the guy's copy. Now, I'm not a good copywriter at all. I've written some sales letters that have made over $1 million in sales. I think it had more to do with my source of traffic than me, though. I have partnered with some really amazing copywriters, and some of the big product launches I've had were because of those copywriters that I partner with. And I still partner with one from time to time that charges an arm and a leg or 50% of the profit or whatever we decide to do with that particular product. It's been a great experience working with Mike, my copywriter, because I would have a sales letter that was producing a few $100s a week or something, and suddenly it was making $5,000 a week, same traffic source. So yeah, definitely there's a skill to it. And I was very uncomfortable, as you can tell by my nature, I'm a very straightforward, honest sort of guy, but it's very uncomfortable using copy that I thought was aggressive, if not just downright deceitful. And so we would argue over it, and we would split test things, and then take into consideration refund rates. And his copy converted and stuck just fine. So we made millions of dollars together doing his copy, my products. And it was, it's been 10 years now. So it was 2009 when we first started partnering. We had our 3 huge product launches, and we did a CPA product where we generated $20 million in revenue. Over the course of all that, it was really an exciting period. I don't have that sort of affiliate punch anymore. I can't draw people to my sales letters like I used to be able to do because I kind of went underground and just focused on traffic. And that's where I was when I started this whole thing, was in traffic. Okay. Back in 2004, I got good at generating traffic for my e-commerce store, and I just built it up and built some great traffic products 10 years ago. It really worked, and we sold the hell out of them, and it was fun. So I'm still kind of focusing on traffic, but I'm also trying to take it more towards the generating the what we call the endorsed traffic, which is a higher quality traffic. That's why I do these videos. I'm building up a following. I don't get tons of traffic on any one individual video, but you look at the aggregate, it starts to really add up because there's over 300 videos I have. If they all get viewed, once a day, and I get one click out of each video, you can start to see how that they accumulate traffic. And it's very good quality traffic because people feel compelled to look at what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about any specific products now, although you probably do need a good email solution, so consider Bulletproof Email Products, our email solution, to help you out. But yeah, copywriting is a skill that if you can learn that, you can not only make more money on your emails and your sales letters on your website, but you'll be able to do that in a way to where your subscribers love you. They're just going to absolutely love you because if your copy isn't over the top, but it plays on psychological triggers that creates a almost impossible to say no to reaction on your part. It's funny because you can sell crap products, but the guys still trust you. Now, this guy and this individual that I'm talking about, she's buying good products. She has had poor execution with those products, and I'm going to help her with that. But I mean, execution is like where you bring in this copywriting together with your traffic generation skills, and that's really why I teamed up with Mike 10 years ago. Now, we were dealing with affiliate traffic then. Now I'm dealing mostly with email traffic from cold leads, which is a different game completely. And I'm also dealing with traffic from videos and stuff like that. We still do well, not like we used to, but neither one of us want to go through that product launch thing again. We don't mind having products out there, and we don't mind the product converting well, but it is just a massive undertaking to do a big product launch, much more than I personally want to get involved in right now, although I wouldn't mind it, I'll tell you that much. So anyhow, if you want to learn a skill that will benefit you, that you can not only use to make more money with your email, not only learn to make more money with your websites and your content that you're posting, but also be able to sell your services for high dollars. If you are a good copywriter, Mike's minimum price is $20,000. Like I said, I used to pay him a couple $100,000 a year to write all of our copy, and we were just in kind of a perpetual machine for about 4 years. We both made a ton of money, and it was because of just our timing was perfect for the market and what we were introducing in the market. And we burned out on it. Believe it or not, it is a very stressful thing to do. You might sit back and go, well, you did all these big multi-million-dollar product launches. Why don't you keep doing that? You get so rich. No, it really is not something that I cared for. I enjoyed the money, and I enjoyed the notoriety and all that stuff. But the process of doing those product launches is not something I really relish getting involved in. Although, being able to do videos and sell my little ClickBank products that do fairly well, it keeps $300 to $500 a day in profits coming in the door. That's plenty. Do $500 a day is $150,000 a year. My solo ad business brings in a lot more. It's a lot of that's a actual business though. That requires personnel, labor, headaches. And I don't enjoy it really. I just got very good at selling it. So anyway, think about copywriting. There's a lot of great courses out there. Look at people like John Carlton, Mike Williams, Harlan Klickstein, Frank Kern. There's newer age copywriters out there, because I haven't been one of the copy in the community like I was 10 years ago. Nothing quite converts as well as Frank Kern did, or really even Frank Kern or Harlan Klickstein was very good for a little period of time. A lot of these copywriters, their style comes in and goes out. Mike Williams is probably one of the best I've ever known. Though you probably won't ever meet him or talk to him, he's pretty reclusive. He works with specific guys very closely. We have 2 products right now in ClickBank that we make money on every day. So it's one of those things where we're setting it up and letting it run, and we're not really putting a whole lot of effort into it. So you have a great day. If you're a good writer, think about buying some of those copywriting courses, because you can make a lot of money for yourself, and you can make a lot of money offering your services, whether it's through the Warrior Forum or just by promoting through your own email list or getting a few successful product launches. What Mike did with ours is he had a couple multi-million-dollar product launches. He used that to get bigger contracts. He even wrote for people like Russell Brunson and just a lot of guys. And he worked his way up to where he's doing professional copy for television networks and stuff like that. So it really can, make you a ton of money if you're into that sort of thing. Wish I was, but I'm not. I hope you are. You have a great day.